Hello and welcome to another episode of Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk a little bit about fire safety. So did you know that smoke alarms only reduce the risk of dying in a fire by 50%? Yeah, it's kind of true. So this is a two-parter today. First part, when was the last time you checked your smoke alarms? Do you test them monthly? Do you change the batteries every 6 months? And in Oregon, are your smoke detectors less than 10 years old? If you answered no to any of these questions, that's something you should start doing, and it's a great thing to do. Second, do you have a plan, an action plan? It's kind of like muscle memory. Do you practice it? Do you know? If you woke up in the middle of the night, would you freak out or would you be like, plan, gotta do this? So there's the tip for today. It is check your smoke alarms and have a plan and practice it. So thanks for tuning in. I will take any comments, questions, requests, or dedications down in the comments. I'm Cassandra with John L. Scott here in a very warm Portland, Oregon today. Have a fantastic day.